Guys, I accidentally eat the spicy food here at the table from the church, and then my stomach is getting hurt and I got bleeding inside.
Samuel, aggressive, fantastic, fan friendly, or if he's just past the stage. We've seen old fighters come in and this don't beat that kind of nice. You have to find out exactly. The last question I have for you. You totally laughed. Something that you said with
So then I watched
Who do you think is harder?
Manny Pacquiao fight and I can't eat because of the pain of my stomach. Early morning and I get bleed a lot inside. So now I feel a little bit better, and thanks God that the healing wonders of His creature is better than the drug medicine. Drug medicine is only temporary, but the sweet potato and sweet potato leaves, it's help to blood clot the internal bleeding and gives me more iron in my body, and also the cabbage juice, it's help to stop the bleeding because it has a lot of vitamin K to for blood clotting. So ayun guys, thank you for watching. Thank you God. Yeah, kaya sana ay makatulong ang video ito. Kaya kung dinigo kayo, kumain po kayo ng albos ng kamote or i-juice ninyo at inumin. Ganon din ang cabbage juice. Yeah, thank you for watching. God bless us all.